this is Oldman Coffee, and this is part 2 of a 2-part video. If you haven't watched part 1, there'll be a link at the end of this video for part 1. Take a look at that. Some interesting sights here at the Lake Mead National Park Campground. So let's get into part 2. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Appreciate that. So I hope you enjoy. Yeah, so now I'm heading down to the Marina. Gonna check out the Marina and see what that's like. Just follow this road on down to the Marina.
Thank you for your service.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Well, it's a little bit of a walk from the parking lot down to the marina. We got ducks and fish. There's all the big fish. Well, they got a name, but I don't know what it is. They see me stop, so everybody thinks that they're gonna get fed. But I'm not going to feed them. I'm gonna walk on down to the marina. The actual name of the marina is the Las Vegas Boat Harbor. They do have a store here for marine goods and things like that, and also the Harbor House Cafe. Look pretty good. Well, this is as far as I can go. Boat owners only beyond this point. And there's a lot of boats. A lot of pontoon boats, even some sailboats. Now I'm on the road to the Hoover Dam. Don't know if it's going to be open or closed, so I'm going to work my way around. Now, this used to be the only road into Vegas coming in from Kingman, and 18-wheelers used to come up this road across Hoover Dam through Boulder City, and then across through Railroad Pass and up into Vegas. And so this is the road going down to the dam, and now there's a new bridge, and hopefully we'll get a look at that. But this is the road, and I'll tell you, back in the 80s when I used to come across this dam coming into Vegas from Bullhead City and Kingman, you get behind an 18-wheeler and it would take you forever to get up this road. Okay, now I'm going through the checkpoint here, going down to Hoover Dam. Now this is the road after the checkpoint, where they check for contraband and possible explosives and things like that. and we're heading down to the dam now. This was closed last time I came through here, but it's open now, so that's pretty good. And you go pretty slow going down through here. And there's the bridge right there. And that's the new bridge that goes across. It used to be you could only get across by the dam, and now that's the new bridge there. Coming all the way down through here. Gotta go pretty slow. And there's the dam over there. And we're just going to go on down and go across that dam. And then we'll probably go to a lookout over on the other side. And get out of the car and show you what the dam looks like from that side. There's the visitor center there, and little statue of the workers there in the visitor center. And they do have tours that go down into the dam. I don't know if the tours are going right now. Not important. I'm not going to take a tour to go down inside the dam. But gotta watch out for the pedestrians, don't want to hit any of them. And now we're crossing Hoover Dam. Remember crossing Hoover Dam here back in the 80s, and on one side you've got the Nevada time over there on that one. Actually, the state line is through the middle, right through the middle of the Colorado River, between Nevada and Arizona. And then there's Arizona time over there. Now, because we're in daylight savings time, they're going to be the same time. But Arizona does not go on daylight savings time. So when it switches next month, Arizona will be different than Nevada. So you can cross the dam and be in two different time zones. So now we've crossed the dam and we're going into Arizona, and there's the Arizona sign. And that's where I was a deputy sheriff in Arizona, actually in Kingman and in Navajo County, in Holbrook, but in Kingman, Mojave County. Now we're going to come up on a lookout up here, little parking area. We should be able to get to it. All right, this is from the lookout spot at the dam. This is what they consider the back side of the dam. And there's a fence down there so that boats can't come into this area. So I'm going to pan over here to the dam itself, the back side. And there's the water inlet towers to the dam. And of course the new bridge. Hope you can still hear me. I got a lot of wind blowing here today. And there's the bridge now that goes into Vegas instead of crossing the dam. Sorry about the wind, guys, but that's just part of Nevada, the desert, and Arizona. All right, now I'm at the scenic overlook and overlooking the Marina. And right down there is the Lake Mead Marina. And then up from the Marina, way off over there, is the Lake Mead campground and RV park and mobile home park over there. That's where I'm staying. Okay, came back across the dam, back into Nevada, And the first place you come to is the Hoover Dam Lodge. Now this is a casino and hotel. I just turned in the Hoover Dam Lodge here and show you a little bit of what it looks like going through here. And this is turning into the Lake Mead National Park. And I'll follow this road on down to the ranger station. And there's Lake Mead off in the background there. And this over here to the right is the visitor center. And we're going to go straight down this road. And I'll have to get out my my pass here as we pull into the station. So I'll get behind the car so I can have a few seconds to get that pass out. And I'm going on through. Now here's the fee schedule here. Well, that's going to conclude my trip to the Lake Mead National Recreation Area and Campground. I want to thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And subscribe. Also, leave a comment. I'll do the best I can to answer all the comments. And if you'd like to be a member of my channel, like these folks here, click that join button, and for $1.99 a month reoccurring, you become a member of my channel and help support this channel. I really appreciate that. Well, this will be Old Man Coffee saying, I'll see you next time.